Familiarizing with the ACT, the edge you need. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve deep into one of the most essential strategies to prepare for the ACT exam: familiarizing with the test format. We all know that practice makes perfect, but understanding the why and how can give you that extra edge. We've all heard the saying, know your enemy. In the context of test preparation, the ACT is not your enemy, but knowing it inside and out will undoubtedly give you an advantage. Familiarity. 1. Reduces anxiety. When you know what to expect, there are fewer unknowns. This can greatly reduce test day jitters. 2. Improves timing. Being aware of the format helps you manage your time better, ensuring you don't rush or linger too long on one section. 3. Boosts confidence. Just like visiting a new city feels less daunting the second or third time around, going through ACT sections multiple times makes them feel more manageable. The ACT consists of 4 primary sections, and understanding the layout of each can greatly improve your pacing and focus. 1. English, 75 questions in 45 minutes. This section tests your knowledge on grammar, punctuation, and sentence structure. 2. Math, 60 questions in 60 minutes. Here, you'll face algebra, geometry, and a bit of trigonometry. 3. Reading, 40 questions in 35 minutes. This section assesses your comprehension of written passages. 4. Science, 40 questions in 35 minutes. Don't be alarmed. This is less about science facts and more about data interpretation. 5. Writing, optional, 1 essay in 40 minutes. This gauges your writing skills and the ability to present a logical argument. The key is not just to know the sections, but to experience them multiple times. Doing so will help you establish a rhythm for each section. 1. Take full-length practice tests. This not only helps with understanding the format but also builds stamina. 2. Review your mistakes. After each practice test, spend time going over wrong answers. Understand your weak areas and why you got certain questions wrong. 3. Simulate test day conditions. Try to replicate the testing environment. This includes timing, breaks, and even the snacks you plan to eat. 4. Stay updated. The ACT, like any test, can undergo changes. Ensure that the practice tests you are using are up to date with the current format. In the journey to mastering the ACT, knowing the content is only half the battle. Being intimately familiar with the format is just as crucial. As you continue to practice, remember, it's not just about the number of hours you invest but the quality of those hours. Here's hoping this video sheds light on the importance of understanding the ACT format. Until next time, happy studying!